In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Facebook profile or pages with Hootsuite, enhancing your social media management experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're a fan of Chrome, Firefox, or any other, the choice is yours. Type in hootsuite.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Hootsuite website, the brilliant tool that's about to make your social media management so much easier. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. Enter your credentials to access your Hootsuite account. If you're new to Hootsuite, you might want to explore some of its features later, but for now, let's focus on linking your Facebook account. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your dashboard. There you'll see your profile icon or possibly your name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you're going to select either My Profile or Manage Social Networks. Both options will guide you to where we need to be next. On the next screen, find and click on the plus Add a Social Network button. This is where the magic happens. From the list of social networks that appears, select Facebook. Don't worry, a step-by-step guide through the process will appear as you proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Use your normal Facebook login details. That's your email or phone number and your password. What you're doing here is essentially connecting Facebook to Hootsuite, allowing them to communicate and share data. But importantly, you're still in control. Now that you've entered your credentials, you'll see a prompt asking you to grant Hootsuite the necessary permissions. These permissions allow Hootsuite to access and manage your Facebook pages or profile. It might sound technical, but it's crucial for Hootsuite to perform its job, like scheduling posts and providing insights. Go ahead and approve these permissions. Remember, you can always adjust these settings later if you change your mind. After granting those permissions, you'll be taken to a screen where you can select the specific Facebook profile or pages you want to connect to Hootsuite. Take your time to pick the ones you want, as you might only be managing a select few from the same account. Finally, click on Done or Finish to seal the deal. And there you have it. You've just linked your Facebook account with Hootsuite, paving the way for more streamlined, organized, and efficient social media management. Now you can schedule your posts, track engagement, and manage everything from one convenient location. Well done on taking this important step.